Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace be upon you, ladies and gentlemen, and respectable jurors. Learning English beyond the classroom, a personal journey. Let me ask you a question. How many of you, when you were a little younger, had trouble with English? Yes, most of us surely did. We live in different generations, went to different schools, with different teachers, and when it came to the subject, day by day. We still had the same way. I didn't like going to school because of the subject. Let me tell you why. I was just 6 when I tried to understand this language. Some words I saw in books, others I encountered in the classroom. I noticed how this language seemed boring and difficult. How could this alphabet sound so different from the way they were spelled? I had to also memorize symbols and structures, which made it even more challenging. Despite the difficulty of the subject, I started to feel differently when I heard English being spoken by more superheroes like Captain America, X-Men, Spider-Man, and their friends. We know how cool these heroes are to a child. Perhaps because of those movies, I decided to learn English so that someday I can talk to one of them, my superheroes. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Zulfa Fiza from Western Dormitory. As I open my speech with a story about my first love for English and how I improved to speak better like this. I will also explain why we need to learn it. In the past, I had the completely wrong position of English. I used to run out the class, stay silent, and sit on the corner anytime. My friends were busy memorizing the alphabet, phonetic symbols, and structures. All I knew was that didn't change anything. And I hated English language even more. Back then, I went home and focused on my hobbies, listening to music, watching movies, and playing games. What I didn't realize was that it was English that quite often in these activities. And especially, the songs, movies, and games have improved my English better than my teachers ever did. I sang in English and learned many vocabularies through games, even conversation from movie scripts. That was the first time I realized learning English had changed my life. Ladies and gentlemen, from this story I want everyone here to understand that learning English can happen in many ways. English in class and English in my hobbies are the same language. But I had different attitude towards them because I enjoy learning in my own ways. This school should understand the traditional approach to teaching English is often boring and overly technical. As someone who learned English through movies, I believe in the role of technology. Learning English was must. School should make learning interesting for students. For example, teachers could use songs like Adelis to encourage the listening skills, providing audiovisual, readable material content, integrate all-based curriculum standards, and create interactive quiz, games, or discussions. Beyond the school system, we also need to take initiative and learn English on our own. Some of you still ask, why is it so important to learn English? First, English for education. English is the official language in more than 35 countries, including the USA, UK, and Australia, which are regarded as having quality educations. Learning English can open the doors to take some of the best universities in the world, and opportunities such as scholarships, education visas, exchange students, and other creative business. Today, English is the language of technology and computers. Many research books and knowledge which are available only in English. If culture is a house, language is the key to open its doors. Second, English for earning money. English has become the language of cross-border communications. More than half of the world population speak English. In professional fields such as aviation, tourism, medicine, and technology, English is often required. Moreover, English allows us to take some of the best universities in the world. Companies like Airbus, Samsung, Microsoft have adopted English as their corporate language, and even open opportunity for people around the globe to have some jobs. Freelance jobs such as design, sales, software development, translations, and other creative business also require English reproficiencies. By working online, you can easily compete English as their capitalized in global markets and take some of the best universities in that learning English, and earn a significant income. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all I can deliver for you today. Thank you very much for your nice attention. And the last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.